Fight. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Prince Riley back with another video, bro. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to your boy. Oh, we back, bro. New grilling video. Yeah, if y'all haven't seen it, check out my last grilling video that I did. This show is about applying pressure, bro. Pressure. And I want to talk to you guys about how to hold a conversation. Okay? How to actually hold a conversation with a female, bro. It ain't that hard. It really isn't. It's just like talking to anybody, bro. Just talk. You know what I'm saying? Don't be nervous. Don't let her know you're nervous. Number one rule, don't let her know you're nervous. Even if you're talking to her and you're nervous, bro. Just don't deny it. If she be like you're nervous, I'm like, nah, I ain't nervous, you know what I'm saying? With a straight face, even though you dead ass lying. You know what I'm saying? But we about to get into this video, bro. I don't want to talk too long. Let's get right to it.
Like someone came from behind.
Pre-pause on the way.
That was that.
Oh,
Do you know what I mean?
I don't even know what he said.
DMs, dating apps. I don't have time for that. I don't believe you should kiss a little frog to find your prince. I believe in grilling them. I'm going to be going on a series of dates to find who can really wow me. This is grilling.
Big Tobz, Mr. Corner, Mr. You know my stomach is leaving your barber. And I'm just here to see what she's about in person. You know, I've seen a couple of episodes, a couple of videos, but I'm trying to see if she can handle me as well as I can handle her. Tactics, just good eye contact, good conversation, a bit of confidence, you know what I'm trying to say, and that's my style, man. First dates, you know, they've all been successful, you know what I'm trying to say, but I haven't really found someone that's really, you know, made me excited like that. Today might be the day, you know, we'll see. I love a challenge, I love it, man. You'll see for yourself. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Merry Christmas.
Looking nice in that red.
It's nice and festive.
Thank you. She's looking sexy in that red, I'm not gonna lie. Trying to keep my head, but not, you know what I'm saying, but yeah, it's all mad.
Like standout TV. Nice for Christmas.
She like that, chat. She like that. That's the first time I seen her like that. Like she really on my man's body, bro.
Toby, but you can call me Big Tobz.
Big Tobz.
Yes.
Why Big Tobz? Cheers.
You know, my name's Toby. People call me Tobz for short. They call me Big because I'm quite big, you know what I'm saying? So,
as in
Big
height.
Tobz. What do you think?
Right,
You wanna...
Chat, I'd have been like, why you want to know, chat? I mean, why do you want to know? That's, bro. I'd have been like, well, you can find out type stuff. Like I would have said some slick stuff.
Do you want to stand up and see how the difference? I'm 6'1", do you know what I mean?
6'1"?
Yeah.
Okay, nice height. Okay, well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Big Tobz.
What
do you want me to call you? What do you want me to
No,
call you?
call me Toby.
Toby.
Yeah.
Nice
You got
to
to
meet
properly.
you.
You look at mine as well.
Eye contact.
Eye contact. So how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Eye contact is key. Look, bro. Try to look somebody in the eyes, bro. You could tell a lot about somebody if you look at them in the eyes. Straightforward type stuff, like not on some creepy stuff, but like on some, like just talking to them. You know what I'm saying? Like just regular stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
I'm good, you know. I'm liking the settings. I'm liking my views. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's all good right now.
Charmer, isn't ya?
Just saying honestly.
I like an honest man.
Yeah.
So tell me about you.
So I'm a rapper from East London. Been rapping seriously from about 2016. I was doing it for fun before. And since 2016, I've kind of been in the industry and just been doing my thing since then. That's
Okay.
my full-time career right now. I do a bit of acting as well, and a bit of fashion stuff.
So what got you into music?
Always kind of loved doing music as a kid. I'll go home, go on the TV, Channel U, MTV Base. I never thought I was going to be a rapper myself, but I just loved what I used to see. And then when I was in school, I used to play about rapping like in school. My friends was like, yeah, you're hard, you're hard. And I still didn't take it seriously, but then like later on growing up, a lot of my friends in my area was doing music. I started joining them, doing some little videos, and then I kind of got out there and it's like, right, I have to do this now, innit? Because everyone knows my name through music, and then now I'm here, Big Tobz.
What do you think you'd be doing if you wasn't doing music?
I used to be into basketball, you know.
Really?
I used to play basketball seriously. Like I went to France, I was living there, playing there. I went to America, I got a scholarship and all that stuff.
That's
What
crazy.
would you for basketball then?
What's your intentions right now?
My intention's always pure.
I hope so.
Grill men, ask them questions.
You had to grill me today.
Yeah. Think you can handle the heat?
I think so, you know. I just want to have a nice date though. Why'd you have to grill me? Why can't you just give me a nice date? Why you gonna grill me?
It depends on you and your vibe, innit? So
I hear that stuff.
if you bring good,
You see how she just said that? It depends on you and your vibe. Bruh, his vibe is chill as hell right now. It's all about it. Like, literally talking to women, it's all about the vibe, bruh. Like, what type of energy you give off. You know what I'm saying? If you're aggressive, and this goes in the relationships too, don't just think this goes for dating. If you literally are giving off the wrong type of energy, you will reciprocate the same type of energy back. It's all about energy, bro. Even how you approach a girl, what kind of energy you want. You know what I'm saying? Are you on that aggressive stuff? Or you on that smooth, you know what I'm saying, laid back, chill type of stuff? It's not that hard, bro. It is not that hard.
vibes, then I'll be.
I'm liking your vibe so far. You seem like a nice girl, a sweet girl, but it's still early, so I'm gonna see. Do you know what I mean? But yeah,
How are you gonna score me? Is that
I think I want to get to know you though, innit? Do you know what I mean? I want to get to know you.
what you say to all the women?
No, that's what I'm saying to you right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you a smooth talker?
Do you think I'm a smooth talker?
Yes,
I just talk naturally, and that's like if it comes across as smooth, maybe I'm a smooth talker. I don't know.
I heard you're a bit of a ladies' man, you know.
My ladies, man.
How'd you hear about that? How'd you hear about it? Like I said, she's on his body.
I love how the eye contact's now gone.
You don't need to know, man. I'm not like a guy that like chats to bare girls and tries to go on. I'm not like that kind of guy. Do you know what I mean? But
So you say fair girls, so is it just maybe you have like 3 minimum
nah, I'm not really on that, innit? But I've had my moments where I used to chat to a lot of girls and stuff like
at
that.
the same time?
When you're single, you can do what you want, right?
But I just think that's a bit mad.
Well, so you've never like dated like more than one guy at the same time.
No, I genuinely, I can't, because for me, I just feel bad. Like, one, it's energy exchange. Like, I just hate the idea of someone else doing it with multiple people. So
Okay.
it's kind of tricky how you want to be treated.
So imagine we're just talking, we're getting to know each other, and we're just talking whatever. But it's not like I've told you I want to get with you, but like there's other people that I've met and I'm talking to as well. Like that's
Yeah.
not that. You think that's not alright?
It's like you're just like weighing out your options.
But they're probably doing the same thing though.
If I want to carry on talking to you, I'm not going to then start pursuing someone else.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
To be honest with you, like back in the day, I was like that. Now I don't even have the time to invest in a lot of people anyway.
Would you say you would be a good husband?
100%.
Really?
I was in a 5-year relationship.
What would make you a good husband? Friend?
I got good morals. I'm respectful. I just know how to treat a woman. You know, I'm gonna say I'm patient.
He's got a lot of substance about him.
He's what he's doing. I'm not gonna lie. He's kind of overplaying his hand a little bit. Like he's giving off too much. She's grilling him, bro. But he can still like. He ain't gotta really give himself off like too much. Like he's over talking. Like he ain't really asking her type questions. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta take control of the conversation. You gotta be able to literally make her want to know more about you, but at the same time, tell a little bit, just a tad bit. But don't give your life story, bro. Once you start doing that, she's not gonna be as interested as she was or will be, or want to get to know you, or wanna, you know what I'm saying? Like he could have just said something like, "Oh, you know what I'm saying? We could find out later on, maybe on a second date type stuff." Like, don't put your eggs in one basket on the first date. Don't do that.
Would you sleep with a fan?
Nah,
No.
nah,
That's good.
nah. You see, even me, when I go out and the fans like too put on me, I run. Like, if I'm talking to a girl and she's a proper fan of me, I'm not really trying to go there.
Really?
Yeah.
Sleep with me?
Would I sleep with you?
I might be a fan.
I'll sleep with you.
Oh.
Just cuddle though, not sex.
I'll be a fan.
Hmm? You'd
Well,
be a
saying
fan.
me now, I'm a fan.
You're not a fan though.
If I'm a fan of what you're saying,
If I know what I'm saying,
yeah.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that then. So,
Oh.
would you sleep with a rapper?
No.
Why?
Do you know what it is? Okay, I'm never gonna say never.
Yeah.
Because you never know. But realistically, like the lifestyle.
I wouldn't even never ask the question. Who cares if you want to sleep with a rapper? Who cares? You know what I'm saying? I'd have been like, I ain't no rapper. Who cares if you want to sleep with no rapper or don't sleep, bro? You sleeping with me. Who cares? I gotta be a rapper. I could be a damn plumber. I don't even care, bro. You sleeping with me.
Thing, it'll be too much for me to handle. You obviously get a lot of attention and just many options. Like regular men that aren't in like the media or limelight, they have options. So imagine a man that's also got options and in the limelight.
That's not really fair, you know, because not all rappers like do this like bare girls and bare like problem stuff. You don't hear no scandalous stuff about me.
Yeah,
You don't see me with bare women and stuff like that. I'm chilled. So again, because someone can say, you know, yeah, you do media, you have a lot of guys on your shows, blah blah blah, so not give you a chance. But I'm sure, I don't know, you see a lot of men or like, well, you probably have a lot of options, right?
Yeah.
But you're probably chilled.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm all chill.
Exactly. So you should give a rapper the same chance, man.
Yeah, facts.
Like you.
Yeah.
I give you a chance.
Yeah, you should get to know me and just see beyond being a rapper in the public eye.
Yeah, no, I can see beyond. Like, I'm not a complete. When was the last time you had sex?
Is that necessary to ask me that?
Yeah.
Word. Don't question
I feel like some things you should kind of keep private. Like, you know what I
There
mean?
you go. There you go.
Are you active or just not active?
I'm not active.
Do you have like buddies and stuff?
Buddies? No, I don't have buddies. I know you think I'm lying, but I'm actually not buddies.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your night in then?
I relax. I've got a studio in my house. I might make music. Every night's kind of different. Depends. I might be busy. I'm quite a busy guy, so it just depends on that evening. But again, I was in a long relationship, so I mean, I kind of come out recently, so
really?
I've been kind of chilling.
Do you think you're gonna like have a rebound and start moving mad, or are you like?
No, like women nowadays. I don't know about women nowadays, man. I just don't really want to invest in this anyone. Do you know what I mean?
What's wrong with women?
Boy, it's just toxic, man.
Why? What
Is it crazy? The things I see and the way they act in it's just a bit mad.
I don't know. I don't.
I don't want to get cancelled, man. I don't want to say that I'm mad, man.
No, but just tell me, enlighten me, so I can kind of speak on.
I just think like the mentalities are brainwashed by like city girls and stuff like that, and I feel like not a lot of women have good values nowadays, and they're influenced by the wrong people. No, the girls are acting nowadays, man. They're just gassed in it. You know what I'm gonna say? But they ain't really like that.
Yeah, I mean, you're right.
It's like a battle of the sexes constantly.
No, it is, to be fair, but it seems like women hate men nowadays anyway. When I look online, it's always hate men this anyway. So
you guys all preach, oh, we want a good woman that has all these values, but then it's okay for you guys to then fuck us up, traumatize us. Then we just think, this, why should I be a good woman for the wrong men? Because you just keep doing it. Like
this is why the world is spinning.
But listen to what she just said. She said, "Why should I be a good woman for the wrong men?" Ma, you're picking the guy, bro. You're picking him. Most guys that approach a woman, it's up to the woman if she wants to mess with him, bro. It's up to y'all. You know what I'm saying? If we moving mad, right? If we moving crazy, you ain't gotta pick us. It's just like that. It's not like a girl would be in a relationship with a guy for like 10, 20 years. And the whole time she knew he was just no good for her. But then she'll come out the relationship and be like, oh, you know, he did this, he did that. Oh, bro, you was in there for like 10, 20 years. Like, what's wrong with you? You moving crazy.
It's a back and forth thing, like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, so that's why it's a bit mad. But hopefully, you know, there's good women and good men out there. So
100%.
No one's cancelled, you know what I'm trying to say? But I'm just going to keep agreeing with them, man. Whatever, innit?
Another ad, bro. Another goddamn ad.
Do you suffer with mental health?
I have certain ways I might express myself like through music. I don't really talk to people much, but when I'm getting on a mic and I'm rapping, I get to say everything that's on my mind, on my chest, without I can just put it in the words so everyone knows how I'm feeling without me having a personal conversation. But maybe that's something I need to work on anyway. You know what I mean?
So what's like your thoughts on like this whole just to be a man kind of thing and not speak up on issues?
So I'll be real with you. As a man, it's hard to be vulnerable. It's hard to open up. It's hard to seem like you're weak, innit? You know what I'm trying to say? And some women do take advantage of that. You know what I'm trying to say? Like when a man's weak and vulnerable and gets thrown in the face, and that's how a lot of men feel. So they feel like they can't really, and even to other men them as well. Like you don't want to seem weak to other guys as well. So it's like you never want to show that.
Yo, he's speaking facts, bro. It's not you never want to be vulnerable. I mean, you can be, but at the same time, it could get thrown back in your face, like, oh, you soft, or like, you know what I'm saying? She might see you different than another guy that's, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could never be like, it's just you could never be weak. You always got to be strong, but at the same time, they want you to be weak. It don't make no sense, bruv. Bruv.
I feel like the way men have been raised, or a lot of men have been raised, like it's almost like get over it, man. Rebuke, like don't be weak, don't be a pussy, like you're good. So I feel like growing up and that, it's like we all feel like we have to get over it. We're not meant to cry about it. What are you crying for? You know what I'm gonna say? So I feel that's the kind of mentality that most of us guys have in it. You know what I mean? Most of the deaths from men is like suicidal.
Yeah, it's been halftime silent.
And that's probably because men are going through things that they can't talk about. They've got no one to go to, so they do it for themselves. And their outlet might be drugs, or their outlet might be something else that's killing them. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's important for us to like, I said therapy, man. Like, I've never done it, but I've been told by a lot of people that it's really good. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of men need to find another outlet to kind of, you know what I'm saying, and not deal with it alone. Because a man's died, and it's like, bro, you didn't tell me, I didn't know he was going through this. A lot of us are holding a lot of things in, you get me? So
It's facts.
open up.
It's got deep.
He's speaking a lot of wisdom right now. Your DM's active.
Yeah, but I don't.
You see how he took that conversation, that whole conversation he just had. She already knows how deep he went with that conversation. So she knows that he's very chill and very intellect. Bro, peep game how she reacted to that conversation.
He's tush. Yeah. Oh, it's quite Gucci, that's alright. At least I ain't got nothing to worry about.
A lot of girls, they've messed up for rappers. Like, they messed up for themselves because, like, all these screenshot business and, oh, I talk to this person, like, I don't open my DMs. You ain't gonna, I don't respond to you. Unless I know you, or, like, you're hitting me up on a purpose, man, like, hey, I need to speak to you, or something like that. If you're just hitting me up, like,
just to say hey.
I don't even open it. Some man don't care, innit? Some man's like, whatever, innit? But me, I'm like, yeah. If I have to see you out, and, like, if I see you out and you vibe, then you vibe, innit? You know what I'm saying? Because there's big catfishes on Instagram, like, I ain't looking at Instagram picture thinking, yeah, you, and then, you know what I mean? So if I see you, or I like what you're doing on the gram, and I'm intrigued, or I'm thinking by it, then I might have a little conversation here and there and see where I'll go and try and catch up. But I can actually catch someone's vibe by looking at their stories, their highlights. You kind of gauge how a person is, innit?
Well, do you think you've put up on Love or Survival?
Both.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at her, the way she's leaning on that table, bro. The way she's leaning on that table, the way she's looking at them, into him, she's so heavily invested into the conversation. She forgot she was on a show. She forgot she's supposed to be grilling him. She barely grilled him so far. They've been just having a regular, normal conversation, and this is what you guys got to do. Stop going into a date trying to think that the date's supposed to be this hard, this I don't know what I'm going to talk about, you know what I'm saying, this is too much type stuff. Like, stop, just stop, bro. Listen, the conversation is flowing. It's naturally easy for him to talk to her because he's not nervous about talking about anything. He's literally talking about whatever, you know what I'm saying? He's not nervous about talking about whatever. So just have a normal conversation, bro. It could be about whatever you want it to be. It literally can. If you guys are having a conversation, she's gonna forget that she look at her. She's so invested into him. I swear to God. At the end of this, he's gonna get at least a 9 or a 10. I guarantee it.
Love, because I've been around love, like both my parents, like my family, you know what I'm trying to say, like my friends, like, you know what I mean, but survival, because I've been through things outside that I had to do it by myself and then I had to do it by myself.
What's the hardest thing you've had to do by yourself?
Oh, probably when I got shot and stabbed. Yeah,
You got shot?
yeah, and sliced my face.
Yeah,
My
crazy.
Oh my god, why did you get shot?
Oh, it's just techie, man. They just tried it, you know.
Oh my god.
They succeeded. Yeah, I've been through a lot of fuckery, man, in my life, but you know, I'm here. Coming on cool, you makes you stronger. I'm here, I'm happy, I'm healthy. I'm living life, man, so can't complain, man.
Did you ever
That's crazy,
like your
though.
mum and your dad? Because you're in situations when you get into trouble, like
Yeah.
I feel everyone's so caught up in the moment, like no one actually thinks about, like you could have lost your life, like
Yeah,
that's
100%. But this wasn't a situation I expected. Like, I'm not a gang member. I was not involved in no gang violence, but I got involved in something and people did something bad to me, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't expect that to happen at the time. It kind of came unexpected. Like, someone came from behind me, my face, turned around, another person shot me. That was, you know, do you know what I mean? At the time, my mum lived in, well, my mum she lived in Nigeria since 2012, so she couldn't really be there. But I'm here today, so I'm thankful and I'm good. I'm on a beautiful day for beautiful girls. So life ain't too bad, you know what I mean?
Well, thank you for sharing that.
He complimented her, but he did it in a subtle way. Like, literally, in a subtle way, he complimented her. Bro, you don't even have to. He did it so subtle. She didn't even like really, like she wasn't like, oh, you know, oh my God, like no, it was subtle. Like, oh, thank you. Well, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro.
Cool. Cheers
After
for life,
having a
Yeah,
heavy
cheers for life.
conversation.
Yeah, you can't take that for granted. You know what I mean?
Yeah, big respect to him. It seems like he's been through a lot and he's grown a lot, and I love a man that holds himself accountable for things they've done wrong. Do you have any fetishes?
I love toes, and I'm joking.
Do you? Is that why your friends call you? Did you say your friends call you Tobz, or was it Tobz?
Are you violating?
No, I'm just asking.
Toes or Tobz?
I thought you said Tobz earlier.
You're violating still. About big toes. Mine's size 11, but it's not big toes, it's big toes. Don't ever get cheeky like that again. Toes.
But you like toes?
No, I don't care about toes. That's not my fetish. I just try to run.
So what is your fetish? And by the way, feet are nice.
No, feet are cool, but I just don't care about them. Like, I'm not gonna suck them ever. I'm not gonna lick them. I'm not gonna like. I might massage you if your feet are clean. But
So what's your fetish then?
do I have a fetish like that? Like, I really like curly hair, you know.
Do you?
That's not weird, is it?
I feel it's more like a preference, not like a fetish.
It's not a fetish.
They should type in like curly hair porn something.
Is that a thing?
I don't know.
Do you watch porn?
No, I don't. No.
At all?
No.
You don't watch porn?
I used to, but I don't.
Everyone watches porn, man. You definitely watching porn, man. You must be getting in, that's why, isn't it? It stops you from like going to see a girl that I don't want to see.
Oh really? So that's how you do it?
You can just do your thing and you're cool. You just sleep nice. Because you know sometimes when you're horny, yeah, you might go for your phone thinking, there's so much girls that are thinking, yeah, I can go here up, but you don't want to do that because you're going to have sex and you're probably going to regret it after. Put on a little porn and just release whatever you need to release, you know what I'm saying? But it's not often though, it's just sometimes.
Okay. What do you want in life?
Have a good family, a good home, my whole family, my friends to be looked after. I want to leave this world with a legacy. Just good, positive things, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, rest in peace, my boy Cadet. Like, everyone's got good things to say about Cadet. He's my guy, one of my closest mates. So, I just want to leave behind a good legacy, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Do you have any insecurities?
Respectfully.
No, you know.
Have you always been confident?
No. When I was growing up, I wasn't confident at all. I was a kid in secondary school. I would just be hiding my face, like just in the corner, like just kind of just chilling.
Or was you shy?
I was proper shy.
Oh my God,
even though I'm a bit shy, but I think doing music helped me overcome that. Because when you got to get on the stage in front of bare people.
I like the way he's moving, bro. I like the way he's moving. The conversation's flowing. She's forgetting she's on a show, bro. She's leaned at the table. He's more laid back. He's a little jitty, but he's laid back, bro. Bro, he's talking about his childhood. I'm not gonna lie. He's kind of talking about more of himself, but he's also controlling the conversation and talking to her too. You know what I'm saying? So he's doing a pretty good job. I guarantee he's gonna get a 10 out of 10, bro, or at least a 9, bro. He's gonna get close.
Kind of things. I think that kind of helped me get over like my shyness. I used to be quite like shy, and I'm quite quiet and reserved. You know what I mean?
I I used to be really shy.
Really?
Yeah,
Cheyenne, that's your
because my name, and then I remember what was it? I just wanted to take his name and just go Cheyenne, and I just took a stand, and then I had the cheesy punchline for a good 5 years. I was like, I'm Cheyenne, and there's nothing shy about me. It's like, oh my god.
You don't seem the type.
No, I was just ugly though. Like,
You?
yeah, I was so butters in Scotland.
Nah, show me a picture.
No.
Nah, you were ugly.
I swear to God, I was.
What's you were ugly.
I swear to God, anyone from school will tell you I was clapped. Like, I don't care. I went to school in Essex.
Oh, okay.
Why yes and no?
I've only I've done it to one girl that I was in a relationship with. No,
Really?
I'd only did it in a relationship. So.
How many people you slept with?
I slept with.
He clearly gets a lot of women.
Few people, innit?
Yeah.
Why is she making preconceived notions about how many women? He's not gonna answer the question. Like she's already letting him like. Oh my god.
A lot of women or not?
What's a lot to you?
Anything over like 50, isn't it?
That's what you do around that. Yeah.
You've only literally gone down on one woman.
Yeah. I just eat any girl, man. Come on, man.
Why do all these men never go down on women? Like,
I was proper.
What? What are we talking about here? She got a yes and a no card, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I only want on one woman." Bruh, what he's supposed to go mad? He's supposed to go crazy. What is he supposed to do? Like if you just said like 5, she's like, well, wait a minute, how much women you getting? Types like,
I actually said I'll never ever do it. I even had it in a song saying I'll never do it.
Really?
One of my biggest songs, the song that blew me up. In that song, I was like, I'll never do it. It's 2021, man. You get me? Like things change. You get me? To all my fans, I let you down. So, but,
yeah,
you know what? I just wasn't on that. Like, it's just not what I'm on in it. But then I got in a relationship, and then like you got to satisfy your girl in it when she wants it. You know what I mean? So I had to just submit.
Would you say you're good at it though? Because you could have a shit mouth again.
It's not for me to say in it. Do you know what I mean? It's for her to say in it. But yeah, I mean, I know what I'm doing in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay.
I got a job, and I get a good job. I got a job, which is to make her finish. You know what I'm saying? So.
Okay.
Bro, look at the way she's looking at my soul, bro.
Demon time.
Seduce me. She knows what she's doing, man, and it's working slightly. You're not gonna lie. No.
Why not?
If you're my wife, what's mine is yours.
Okay, that's fine.
You get it? Forget trust and that stuff. There's conversations I'm having with my boys, there's group chats man's in with my bedrooms that man don't want to say. And girls are nosy. So girl pick up my phone and she'll want to know, everything about the jumps and saying, and there's certain things I might not want me to see.
Yeah.
That we all deserve some privacy at the same time.
If I was in a relationship with you and I asked to see your phone, would you show me it?
I'll see what you want to see first.
Memes?
I'll be like, cool. It's a memes, you know. Are you one of them people that send your boyfriend like memes and stuff and all this kind of stuff that you find funny? Like?
That's how I flirt. I just send memes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Are you a flirty girl?
I think I'm naturally a flirt, but I wouldn't even say that I'm flirting.
You've got a very flirty like look.
I don't think I try. I'm not trying
Sure
to be
do.
funny.
I know, but you just got to look.
Sure do.
It's good though. It's good.
Exactly.
Yeah, to look like it's like a seductive kind of look. Do you know what I mean? So maybe it's the red that you're wearing. I don't know. Yeah.
I reckon I'm trying to seduce you.
It's the smile, man. It's a smile for me, man. But yeah. Anyway.
Bro, she forgot she's on the show, bro. I swear. She barely tapped into grilling him, bro. She done man, listen, go check out the last video I did. It's on the channel. Bro, she's barely touching the surface.
Yeah.
She barely
grilled
him.
I was gonna say no. them.
No.
I just don't like leaving bad blood, innit? Unless like you done me dirty. If you done me dirty, then we're not cool. Like I don't want to see you. If we just broke up because you just broke up,
Outgrow each other.
yeah, you just we can still be cool. Do you know what I'm saying?
I find it mad that you could spend years with someone
And then just
never speak to them again.
Yeah, that's what
Like
mad.
the world glamorizes, oh my god, that's your ex. You should
Yeah.
date them. Like
nah, man, you don't have to do that, man. Sometimes you outgrow people. Sometimes you realize that person's not the one for you.
Nah,
Don't
you
just
speaking
hate each other and
facts.
Start beating each other. Like you better see each other. And be like, you know, yeah, cool. You
Yeah.
got a nice guy now. We gotta make sure he looks after you. Do you know what I'm gonna say?
yeah.
Simple.
Yeah, strange.
No, I wouldn't. Mind.
Oh,
So I hope you say yeah with this double standard you've got going. Double standards, red flag. Double standards are mad.
like you can't be active friends. You can be cool as in like, if, do you know what I'm saying? But not like an active friendship. Like you can't be like talking
All the time.
on a regular or like having conversation. Like,
Yeah, I get you.
do you get what I'm saying?
Be
If
cool
you're
with
if you're cool with them, like boom, like it might pop up. Hey, you cool? Yeah, I'm alright. Blah blah. But as long as because it's about boundaries, isn't it?
So I have an ex that
Mm.
every few years we actually catch up and go for dinner.
Well, you must be high. Like yeah, it's not happening. You go for dinner.
I've not been in a relationship
Mm.
since, if that makes sense, but we will
Oh.
regularly catch up because it's
Yeah.
just nice to see the growth kind of thing.
I'm not gonna lie. If I'm seeing someone, yeah, like you're not linking your ex for dinners. Like, it's not happening.
Why about just a coffee then, not
Just
dinner?
a coffee, burger, chips. It's not happening.
Who's going for that? What is she talking about, bro?
Because why are you doing
Who's
that
going for that?
That's a date, basically.
No, it's not
It is a date, though. It's a friendly
It
date.
does sound mad though. It does sound mad.
Sounds
yeah.
crazy
Once I'm done with
wild.
someone, I'm done.
Crazy
I
wild
will
right
never
there.
Speak with you again. I
Mhm.
will never text you a slightly way. Like so, I guess for me emotionally, I'm so cut off. I can actually go for dinner with my ex and not feel the way. Like I would not even be attracted to him. Like it's actually mad how disconnected I can be.
When it comes to like relationships, yeah, it's about how would your partner feel about things, innit? And certain things you got to sacrifice for that. So even though man, no, you're gonna be good. You're not even attracted to them, but you genuinely want to see if they're good. If that's gonna make your partner feel a certain way or not feel comfortable with it, what's more important to you? Like your party trying to grow a future with.
Of course, you're man.
So exactly. So certain things you got to sacrifice. Like something like that. Like you probably wouldn't want your guy to link with his ex for dinner.
Yeah.
Or you cool with that?
Facts.
No, it's something. I'm very laid back, but at the same time, I'm not an idiot. You know, so it depends on the person, the vibe, the woman, like the ex.
It's a lot that goes into it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Unless me and your ex is best friends, which is probably not gonna be happening, then no, I feel like it's unnecessary. I feel like if you want to check it out, you can. Even the messages might let that slide, but going out to actually link them and spend time with them, it's gonna cause deeper issues that don't need to be. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I've kind of accepted that people done their things in the past. I can't really let that affect my relationship with them. You know what I'm gonna say, but I'll prefer if it was less. I just want to be in places where like my man could have. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yes. It's
I
not
like
an
it.
ego
I like
thing.
exclusivity and all that kind of stuff. Innit? So if your body counts high, no. If it's really high, it's gonna go.
Do you think it's like a male ego thing?
Probably.
Ego.
Probably.
You problem.
Maybe it is, but it is what it is, isn't it? I like what I like.
Word.
I prefer my girl to be a low body count than it is. Do you care about body counts? Like, forget.
Don't simp, bruh. Don't simp. Let them know from the gate. Stop playing with them.
Not really. Do you know what it is? It's not that I care about body count, and I'm going to sound like a complete, but it's like the quality of the person. Because sometimes I don't mind, but then when I see
The type of girl that you shot.
the person that you've just gone with, and I'm just kind of like,
You see the man then, yeah. So when it comes to like eating girls and that, yeah, you know, man don't really care like that. Like you see, like girls, I'm sure the guy has to be a certain whatever. To like guys just want to get busted nuts. You know what I'm gonna say? So it's not a thing of like, oh, this person is this kind of level quality or whatever. Like man, them don't really. That's why a lot of men will cheat on their girls, which is mad. With dead, like they might have a 10-10 girl and I'm cheating with 5-5 because at the time they're just thinking with their penis and they're just thinking about the nut.
Yo,
Do you ever shoot your shot?
huh?
You ever
Yeah,
shot a
I'll
shot?
happily shoot
You
my
shot a shot?
I'm really proud of this moment. There was this really good looking guy at the end of the bar once. So I said some drinks.
You said drinks to him?
Yeah, I said drinks to him at the
Maybe
end of
like
the
a
bar.
boss.
Yes, I said to the barman, I was like, look, send drinks. And the barman comes back and was like, oh, you rejected it, right?
Oh.
And I died inside a little. And then sent a bottle of champagne over. And then the guy came over with 2 glasses and was like, that was really kind of you to offer, but I don't let women buy me drinks, but I hope we can toast together. And I was like,
I hear that though.
game, but you've got game,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, you dressed it nicely still, but right,
Yeah,
just
came
straight
back
random
on
and that.
Yeah, shoot my
Oh.
shot, innit?
Don't always do that.
Well, I did. No, we do. There's women that shoot their shot.
I rate that story, you know. That's a proper gangster move still.
Thank you.
Well done. That takes a real boss in it. So she's got some courage. I respect that, man. But some girl are just there waiting to, yeah, come on, man. She's a G, man. Ladies, learn from Shy. You get me?
Oh, I like this guy. You know, what would you do if?
Chat, she on his body, bro. Chat, she's on his body.
That is two of your friends.
And I'm getting to know you.
Yes.
If I really like you, I can look past it.
Really?
You know what I'm trying to say. But if I just met you, yeah, and yeah, my name's like, oh, yeah, man, chop that. I'll probably just like,
Really?
I'd probably be cool with you.
So like the strategy for women is don't let.
Look at her position. She's on his body. She's on his temple, bro. She's on his temple. Ain't no way.
Don't want to do that. But you have to let us know. If you've done it,
Yeah,
you're gonna have to let man know. Like eventually, like
so
if you're taking man serious,
would you want me to directly tell you?
you have to tell me.
Would you not prefer?
No.
But at what stage then?
Well, man, them have to tell me. If my man them ain't told me and you ain't told me, you don't all snake. You all pay.
When do I tell you then? Because this is the thing. What if I've done it? I really like you, and then now I'm scared that I'm gonna lose you.
Imagine I find out the man them said, you know, I'm not gonna let you. I know you like this John, but in 2020, I was blowing her back up. If he tells me that, yeah, and then I come to you, like, and you knew this, I'll feel a way that you didn't tell me this from before. The L either way, innit?
We all lose.
We all lose, innit? But honesty is the best policy, innit? I mean, if
Facts.
it's me personally, if my man's getting with a gal and man's that thing back in the day,
We don't lie. All honesty, bro. Keep it a stack. Keep it a stack, bro.
And your broski back in the day, that was my John. I done that, innit? So if my boys get me, they got to show me, innit? Can't be so sneaky.
What would you do if my ex was after you?
And the speech, innit? Like, what do you want me to do, innit? I mean, like, I'm not gonna be like, if you was beef with me, then I'm gonna try and avoid it for your sake, innit? Because someone you probably love once in a time. But I'll speak to him like, bro, like, listen, the girl's mine now, respectfully. She doesn't want you no more. You gotta let her go. If he keeps coming, if he's coming for me, I'm not coming for him. So if he's coming for me, then I just gotta do what it comes to me, innit? Do you know what I mean? What would you expect a guy to do?
Probably that, actually.
She's really buying what I'm saying, you know.
What would you do if I wanted to start on OnlyFans?
Why? I'll ask you why. Like, why do you want to start OnlyFans?
Make money?
What are you doing at the moment, though? Have you got no job and you're just trying to?
Yeah, what if I was just out here hustling?
Well, that's like your only result. The OnlyFans.
It's not the only result.
So why do you want to do
extra
OnlyFans?
income, isn't it?
Nah, man.
Double streams of income.
What are you doing though? Showing your toes?
I knew you like toes.
No, not like toes, but like them I can see toes. I don't care about toes. Them I can see the toes, but you're trying to show like everything else. Nah, man. I don't want everyone seeing what's mine like. So there's no way my girl's getting OnlyFans. Sorry, big up everyone that's doing their OnlyFans. You can do your thing, but my girl, no, I'm your only fan. I'm the only one I see and I stuff.
Facts.
Yes, it's that ego thing.
It's not ego thing. It's just like I don't want to share what's mine like with other people. Like, and also, my girl will never be in a situation where she needs to be OnlyFans for money.
Why have you got patterns like that? Yeah.
If you're with me and we're together, I've got you. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, so if you need help, I would help you. Or I'd help you look for a job that you want. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Like, I don't need you to resort to OnlyFans.
Have you always been like this? I really like the way you answer the questions.
I've grown a lot. As I said, like being in a long relationship, I've grown a lot and I learned a lot. Before, I was not this kind of guy. Like I was like, and my friends will tell you, Tobz will never be in a relationship. Like I'll never be vulnerable. I'll never want to commit to one person. As in, like, I want to be dating different girls, but I'll never take any girl seriously or try to be in a relationship with any girl. Like, I was not on that. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't know why. I just didn't care like that.
Bro, she gonna give him a 10
no, I feel like
or 9 at least.
I feel like we would have a good conversation and a good fun as well. Like, yeah, man. I can talk to you, like, you know what I'm saying? And you're not too serious, but you have values as well. Like, that's like things I look for in a woman. I wish you the best for 2022. Are you looking for a man in 2022?
Yeah.
Hopefully. What's your type? Where is your type, by the way?
If you was to look at my exes, they're all so different.
Oh,
so I
is
don't have like a specific type. It's
A man type.
Yes. You are actually. I'd give a type.
She's on his body, chat. She's pressure.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna lie, the date was good, man. I feel like she really grilled me hard, you know. She was quite nice. It was a good conversation. I feel like had a deep connection, so it's different from the other one. You know what I'm trying to say?
It's a good date, cheers guys.
Yeah, I think it's second
9.
cards.
Hey, it was so hard to grill him.
She's
Like,
gonna
I quite like him.
Not gonna lie, I think I handled the grilling quite well, man. I didn't really feel no pressure.
Yeah, definitely one of the best dates I've had.
For that day, I'll probably give myself a 10.
Yeah, outside the gym. Okay.
See, I might take it to the studio.
Yo, she's gonna be in the DMs, bro. Y'all peep that though?
I'll give him a 9. And he's got a 9 because I feel like he's honest. Seems like he's a good
Wow.
man. He's a family man.
I told y'all. Don't get, bro. 9, bro. Yo, chat. Come on, bro. I knew it, bro. The conversation. She forgot she was on the show. She forgot a lot of things. She talking about she gonna slide in his DMs. Listen, she want that. You know what I'm saying? He kept it real with her. He kept it honest. He didn't have to. He didn't just walk up to say, "Oh, you're so beautiful." Oh my God. You know, like having confidence is key. Not being nervous is also key. Okay. And lay back and chill. Just enjoy the date, bro. Enjoy the date. Have conversations, bro, about whatever, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gotta be nothing crazy. And you guys will get a long way, man. But y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Prince Bradley, and I'm out.
Bye.